cartilages that are located between the tibia plateau and femoral condyle. The incidence of meniscal tear is estimated to be 60 per 100,000 population. Meniscal tear can be divided into vertical, horizontal and complex. Vertical lesions are asymptomatic often and could lead to longitudinal lesion in the peripheral of the meniscus. This is the types of meniscal tear: vertical longitudinal, vertical radial, horizontal, oblique, complex and degenerate. The treatment option for the meniscal tear. This is the demographic data. The age group between the 20 to 40 years. Occupation mostly athletes or sports person. Chief complaint: patient complain of sound of pop with immediate swelling of the knee during high impact activity or trauma since 24 hours. सिर्फ 24 आवर्स के अंदर अगर सर ये कि पेशेंट जो है 24 आवर्स के विदिन में आपके पास रहेगा. प्रेजेंट पेशेंट में रिपोर्ट्स ऑफ पेन, swelling, stiffness in the knee joint, particularly along the inner aspect medial side. Pain may worsen with activity that involve bending, twisting or bearing weight on the affected side. Past injury may be present with a minor injury around the knee, not any surgical history. The patient is usually younger age group between 20 to 40 years, mostly and it found in the late age group because of degenerative changes. Duration patient are usually referred quite quickly because of the degree of incapacity that condition can produce. So mostly patients are seen within 24 hours of the onset of their symptoms. Frequency: the patient often report this as being the first such episode of these particular symptoms. Area of pain: typically over the anteromedial or anterolateral joint line. Types of symptoms: pain is sharp in nature, particularly on the movement, or symptoms like locking, clicking, catching and anything. Pain assessment: type of pain, sharp shooting type of pain, side, which side, affected side and left side or right side, or side of anteromedial or anterolateral, duration maximum 24 hours, severity onwards more than 6. Aggravating factors: any weight bearing movement or relieving factor after rest or hot pack. This is the objective finding on observation: attitude of limbs, slight flexion and external rotation, posture, weight bearing on affected side, redness होगी anteromedial और anterolateral side. Normal होगी, active movement कराएंगे, वैसे नहीं कर पाएगा. Passive movement are painful and cannot perform in full range. Resisted movement, patient will not able to perform any movement against the resistance. स्पेशल टेस्ट में मैकमोरे टेस्ट, एवरेज टेस्ट और एक थैसले टेस्ट आता है वो. इमेजिंग स्टडी फाइंडिंग्स में एक्सरे कराएंगे, एपिलेटरल एंड वेट बियरिंग यूज्ड टू असेस फॉर एनी बोनी पैथोलॉजीज, लूज बॉडी एंड ऑस्टियोआर्थराइटिस, यूजिंग आर्थ्रोस्कोपी एज द गोल्ड स्टैंडर्ड. MRI is the best mode of imaging to diagnose and characterize meniscal tear. ट्रीटमेंट: इलेक्ट्रोथेरेपी मोडालिटी देंगे अर्ली स्टेज में, मैनुअल थेरेपी और एक्सरसाइज थेरेपी, लाइफ स्टाइल मॉडिफिकेशन. इनिशियल ट्रीटमेंट: इफ ऑनसेट इज रिसेंट देन द rest, eyes, compression and elevation principle should be applied for the 2 to 3 days, and the patient is advised to ice for the knee joint for the period of 10 to 15 minutes for the every 2 hours. Avoiding as far as possible any movement that produce symptoms, and also avoiding sudden movement of the knee or any weight bearing movement, compression and elevation of the knee to minimize swelling.